no pun is what you guys. Welcome back to Everything Empo. You're new to the channel, Empo Madeira, man. So for today's video, it's gonna be a very short one and one where I do mostly talking. Hope you don't mind. Just quick and easy. It is my macaroni salad. You have different ways to make macaroni salad. When it comes on to cooking, there is no one way to cooking. It all have to do with style, preference, and if it tastes good. Alright, like I said, there's a variety of way of doing this. I've already went ahead and used this is elbow, the classic elbows macaroni or pasta. That's whatever pasta style you want to use, that's on you, but I prefer mine with the elbows. Alright, so you can follow the instruction, 8 to 10 minutes to boil, and this is 1 pack, or to whatever you like your tenderness. And afterwards, what I do, I give it an ice bath. And the reason for an ice bath is to stop it from cooking, because if you still let it stay warm, it is still cooking. It is sitting on top of each other and it is still cooking, and it becomes overcooked. You still want a little bit of tenderness and solid for it to grab to whatever you're going to add to it. So for this, I'm going to be using sweet corn and sweet peas and carrot. I shredded up my carrot. Funny story, I'm also going to use onion. I have a piece of onion. Today is Sunday and I'm doing the video literally today. Sunday I'm doing brown stew pork. I love it. So if I'm doing like small items like my onion, my garlic, and even the size of the carrot, because it is what shredded the carrot. I use this. It is really handy and quick, and I'm going to use the very same for the onion. All right, so the trick to this is absolutely no trick. It's just tasting your food. That's all it is, tasting your food. So I'm going to put just a little black pepper. You don't have to. Again, preferred. Make sure I like mine. Just a little black pepper. And I'm going to add, this is 1 can of each. I'm gonna really must use all of it. I'll probably save back some. Only put it in this to eat. If I do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rest into like a Ziploc bag. It depends on how it looks as I'm stirring it to see. Preference, I want a little bit more. So I'm just going to put this into a Ziploc bag and put it into the freezer. I have some corned beef, so I'll probably just cook it up with corned beef, and I'll probably just throw it into the rice. When it's like that, it look a little bit meh. So that's where the corn, the carrot come in to give color. Cause like I said, for me, I cook with my eye. And mama cook my taste with my eye, but just likes the color. So there we go. And this is 1 medium-sized carrot shredded down. Now, my daughter, she wanted something, so I had to pause the video. Anyway, so back to this. So now I'm going to grate the onion on it. Like I was saying, for this, the trick to it, which is really no trick, is tasting. That's all it is to cooking your food, tasting. So as you go along, you can taste and know what you want more, or what you want less, or what you want to balance it out. So I'm putting a little onion. This, it gives it that little, I don't know what to say, it's not really tangy or little, it gives it a flavor to it that I wish I could explain, but can't. That no make sense, right? But just trust the process is what I'll say. And right after you finish doing that, you add mayonnaise to it. You want to start off with using a little mayonnaise and build it up as you go along. So this is where I'm adding sugar to it, because it tastes much more like mayonnaise than what I need it to taste like. So you want to start off just the same with sugar. Add a little sugar as you go along. So for this portion of the video, I have to put a little voiceover because the sound wasn't off. This is the finishing look. I'm showing you guys what it looks like, where you can see clearly, you can see the corn, the sweet peas, the pasta, the black pepper, the carrot, May all and goodness. Anyway, the key to this is you want to put it into the fridge, not the freezer. Put it into the fridge. It is so good cold. So give it some time to really get cold and have it, or however you like, but I like it when it's cold, not freezing cold, but cold, if that makes sense. It can eat it by itself, or you can eat it with the food. It is just an excellent side dish. So this is how I make my macaroni pasta, and this is how the kids love it. And I'll catch you guys into the next video. As always, thank you for the continuous support. If you have not, like, share, subscribe, you know, all them things with YouTube. So don't go ahead and do it. So right, so I'm gonna end this because I really don't remember what I was saying, but it's why it was so long. Anyway, take care. See you. Bye bye.